This is last night's bake. It was a great success, as you can see. Yummy, yummy, get in my tummy. And it just fell out of the pan. No sticking. 45 minutes baking. A sourdough expert I have become. It hasn't risen. It hasn't bubbled an awful lot, but it has a good taste, and it's just a chewy crust. Very good, very good. I'm very happy with that. That's the powder. That's the flour I put on at the end, just to give it that professional baker's look. And I tried it out. I had a few slices with butter, hot out the oven. There's nothing like hot bread out the oven. That's how you can tell it's cooked, if the bottom of the bread is brown. Okay, thanks for watching.